In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly send an email from your Gmail directly to Google Keep in just a few simple steps. If you're someone who constantly juggles between managing emails and maintaining notes, integrating these two tools can significantly streamline your productivity. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this efficiently. To start off, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to Gmail. Once you're logged into your account and in your inbox, identify the specific email you wish to add to Google Keep. This could be anything from an important work email, an inspirational message, or simply a reminder you don't want to lose track of. Once located, click on the email to open and view it in full. Now glance over to the right sidebar of your Gmail interface. Here you'll find a series of icons, including Google Calendar and other Google apps. Look for the Google Keep icon, which is typically represented by a light bulb. Click on this icon to open Google Keep within your Gmail dashboard. This sidebar functionality is incredibly convenient as it saves you from the constant tab switching. With Google Keep now open on the side, look for the option that says Take a Note. Click on this option. By doing so, you'll be creating a new note in Google Keep. Instantly, the content of your open email will auto-populate within a new note. This automatic syncing helps you preserve key information without the hassle of manual entry, ensuring you capture every detail. Once your email is saved in a Google Keep note, you have the option to modify it. You can add additional text, labels, or even change the color of the note for better organization. When you're satisfied with the adjustments, simply click on Done to save your note. Now that your note is saved, the next step is to verify that everything is correctly stored and accessible. To do this, open a new tab and go directly to Google Keep, or simply click on the Keep icon again to view your notes in full mode. In your Keep dashboard, you should see your newly added note right there alongside your other notes. This integration between Gmail and Google Keep allows for quick, efficient management of important information, making it easily retrievable whenever needed.